Walking, walking. Ay, nakikita nyo na yan na dulo na yan. Hindi pa yan, doon pa yan. Hindi pa yan. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today we're going to bye-bye. So this is where our family get our this is the shala. It is our source of living before, wherein my father and my mother went here every day to catch fish. So they walked 3 kilometers away from our home, going to bye-bye, and then every Friday after school we also went here so that we can have our family get together, and then we will stay here for 2 days, and then Sunday afternoon we will go back home, then prepare for our schooling the next day. So I just want to reminisce the moment, the time where we started, and I just want to experience this after so many years. That's why I really want to go back where we started before. The life that we had, it's really difficult, but then by God's grace I can say that our life is much better right now than before. So thank you, Lord, for this opportunity once again to experience how good you are in my life, even in my family's life. We can diminish yung hardship of our parents. So thank you so much, Lord. Here's my uncle. My uncle is fixing his boat. See how beautiful the sunset is. See that. Thank you, Lord. Ganito ang sitwasyon ng mga bahay dito sa tabing dagat. Ano? Nilalakad 3 kilometers. Dati 3 kilometro araw-araw nilalakad, marating mo lang yung ano mo, yung kubo. Ba? Grabe, no? Kasi siguro matagal din buhay ng mga tao dito dahil kumbaga kasi parang ano exercise. Gani. Ay, iba naman kasi dahil ang ano ng dagat. Bala, pag nasa dagat ka, parang alam mo yung parang parang napaka peaceful lang ng isip mo. Yung wala kang ibang, basta pag gusto mo ng gusto mo mag-unwind, gusto mo yung tahimik, punta ka lang sa tabing dagat. Iyan. Pang-asim yan, ginugulay yan dati. Nilalagay sa isda. Ito, ang tawag dito ay punong. Punong. Dito inaalagaan ang mga bangus, sugpo, ipon. Yan dito. Kaya malawak dito sa amin yung punong. Day, jogging na. Jogging. Ganda. Ha? Ha? Saan? Oh. Dito ka sa kabila, Day. Day. Dito ka sa kabila na part. Yan.
Bata pa. Kapahart niya balhan sa sayo?
Oo nga. Natumba pa nga. Nalala mo kung saan tayo natumba? Turo mo kay Papa kung saan tayo natumba, ha? Ano daw?
Tinanong mo tas papa niya, papa saan tayo tumba? Parang kala niya yung papa niya nung time na yun dito ba?
Maganda mag-jogging din pag aga. Hindi, ano?